plus a whole to the power of n. What is x plus a whole to the power of n? Expansion. So x plus a whole to the power of n can be written as sigma r is equal to 0 to n NCR x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r. So this expansion can be written as sigma r is equal to 0 to n NCR x is nothing but here 4x whole to the power of n minus r 7 minus r a to the power of r is 5y whole to the power of r. So this expansion can be written as sigma r is equal to 0 to n NCR n in place of n I can write it as 7cr, here also 7cr 4 to the power of 7 minus r 5 to the power of r and then x to the power of 7 minus r x to the power of 7 minus r into y to the power of r. NCR 7cr 4x whole to the power of 7 minus r can be written as 4 to the power of 7 minus r into x to the power of 7 minus r 5 to the power of r y to the power of r. So this is the end of 4x plus 5y whole to the power of 7. Similarly, you can apply x plus a whole to the power of n expansion in sigma notation as sigma. Here n is 5. So r is equal to 0 to 5cr, right? X is 2x by 3 whole to the power of n minus r. A to the power of r is 7y by 4 whole to the power of r. So this can be written as sigma r is equal to 0 to 5cr 2 to the power of 5 minus r 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 5 minus r x to the power of 5 minus r 7 to the power of r y to the power of r and 2 to the power of 2r. So you can take this as homework. Here you can write it as sigma r is equal to 0 to 5cr 2 to the power of 5 minus r minus 2r becomes 5 minus 3r a to the power of m minus n a to the power of m minus n and then x to 3 to the power of 1 by a to the power of m is a to the power of minus m. So I can write it as r minus 5. 7 to the power of r, x to the power of 5 minus r and the y to the power of r. This is the expansion of this. Is it clear? So there is expansion using binomial theorem. Then x by 7 minus 2y whole to the power of 10. Here n is equal to 10. In order to find middle terms, we need how to find the value of n, whether it is even or odd. So here n is equal to 10 is even. Therefore, we will have only one middle term. So middle term will be is equal to tr plus 1, where r is equal to n by 2. N is nothing but 10 by 2 is 5. R is 5. Therefore, T 5 plus 1 is nothing but NCR x to the power of, that is 3x by 7 whole to the power of n minus r into a to the power of r is minus 2y whole to the power of 5. So T6 is nothing but 10C5 3 to the power of 5 by 7 to the power of 5 minus 2 whole to the power of 5 x to the power of 5 and y to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5, 7 to the power of 5, to the power of 5, x to the power of 5, y to the power of 5, minus to the power of 5. Minus is odd number, Minus power 5 is odd number, so minus 10c5 3 2s 6 by 7 whole to the power of 5, 3 to 6 whole to the power of 5 by 7 to the power of 5, x to the power of 5, y to the power of 5 is the middle term is 6. Is it clear? This is sixth term is middle term in this expansion. Right. Next, how to find the middle term in this? N is equal to 11 is odd. Therefore, it contains two terms, two middle terms. Middle terms are Tn plus 1 by 2 and Tn plus 3 by 2, isn't it? So there is T 11 plus 1 by 2 is T6. There is T 11 plus 3, there is T7. Let us find T6 value. T6 value is nothing but T5 plus 1. T7 is nothing but T6 plus 1. So T5 plus 1 can be written as NCR. NCR x to the power of n minus r, a to the power of r is 3 by 2b, 3b by 2 whole to the power of r. There is 11c5, 4 to the power of 6, 3 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5, a to the power of 6, b to the power of 5. This can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 gets cancelled. 4 ones, 4 twos 8, 3 ones, 3 threes 9 into 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 12, 3 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5 into a to the power of 6, b to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 5 gets cancelled with this. 2 to the power of 7 remains. Then remaining value is 77. 11 sevens, 77. 3 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 8 into a to the power of 6, b to the power of 6 is the one of the middle term. One of the middle term. Similarly, you have to find T7 here. T6 plus 1 can be written as NCR. There is 11C6. A to the power of r is 4a whole to the power of n minus r is 11 minus 6 is 5. And then 3b by 2 whole to the power of r is 6. 11CR. NCR is nothing but NCn minus r. I can write it as 11C5. And then 4 to the power of 5. A to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 6, b to the power of 6 by 2 to the power of 6. So T7 is another middle term. T7 is another middle term. 11C5 is nothing but 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 into 4 to the power of 5 can be written as 2 to the power of 10, a to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 6, b to the power of 6 by 2 to the power of 6. 5 twos 10 gets cancelled, 4 ones 4 twos and 3 ones 3 threes. 11 sevens is 77. 2 to the power of 5 it gets cancelled with the 2 to the power of 10. We remain with 2 power 4 into 2, 2 power 5 and then 3 power 7, 3 power 6 into 3 power 1, a power 5, b power 6. Since n is equal to 11 is an odd term, it contains two middle terms. So one is T6 and the other one is T7. If n is even, we will have only one middle term. There is Tn by 2 plus 1 will be the middle. Is it clear? Right? Now look here. Ax to the power of p plus b by x to the power of q whole to the power of n. Independent term in this expansion will be Tr plus 1, where R is equal to Np by P plus Q. R value can be calculated by writing Tr plus 1. You can do this. Coefficient of x power k lies in which term means Tr plus 1th term, where R is equal to Np minus k by P plus Q. Find the coefficient of x power minus 6 in 3x minus 4 by x whole to the power of 10. Look here, coefficient of x power k, here k is equal to minus 6, n is equal to 10, p is equal to 1 and the q is equal to 1. This can be observed as x plus a whole to the power of n later. So here I need the value of r. R is nothing but np minus k by p plus q. What is np? np is 10, minus k is plus 6 by p plus q is 2, that is e. So what is Tr plus 1? Formula is NCR, NCR, x to the power of n minus r, a to the power of r. 10C8 is nothing but 10C2. 10C2 is nothing but 45 from Pascal triangle. 10C2 is nothing but 45. 3 square is 9. X square x power 8. X power 2 by x power 8 becomes x power minus 6. So there is Tr plus 1th term into minus 4 whole to the power of 8 into x to the power of minus 6. So I can write it as Tr plus 1th term can be written as 5 9s 45, 405 into 4 to the power of 8 into x to the power of minus 6. Therefore, what you can conclude is x power minus 6 coefficient is 405 into 4 power 8. Is it clear? Right. Similarly, look here, we have to find x power 11 coefficient in this. Find the coefficient of x power 11 in this. Here, n is r k value. Coefficient of x power k lies in the term Tr plus 1, where k r is equal to this. When you compare, k is equal to 11, n is equal to 13, p is equal to 2, q is equal to 3. R is equal to Np minus k by p plus q. Np is 26, 26 minus 11 by p plus q is 5. 26 minus 11 is 15, 15 by 5 is 3. Isn't it? Right. What is Tr plus 1? NCR 13C3, NCR x to the power of, that is 2x square whole to the power of n minus r, a to the power of, that is 3 by x cubed whole to the power of r is nothing but 3. So this can be written as 13C3, 2 to the power of 10, 3 to the power of 3, x to the power of 20, minus 9. 13C3 is 13 into 12 into 11 by 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 to the power of 10, 3 to the power of 3, 2 to the x to the power of 11. There is x to the power of 11. You can cancel this. This becomes 26 into 11. There is 286. 2 to the power of 10, 3 to the power of 3 is the coefficient of x power 11. Is it clear? The independent term in ax to the power of p plus b by x to the power of q to the power of n is Tr plus 1 term, where r is equal to np by p plus q. So, given this problem, we have to find the independent term. It is in the form of a is 1 by 3, x to the power of p, x to the power of 1 by 2, plus minus 4 is b, by x to the power of q is 2, whole to the power of n is 10. n is equal to 10. So when you compare this, I can write it as n is equal to 10, p is equal to 1 by 2, q is equal to 2, x to the power of p 1 by 2 by x to the power of q. When you compare it, q is equal to 2. So in order to find the tr plus 1, r value is np by p plus q. np is 5, np is 5 by p plus q is 5 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. So totaling r value is 2. tr plus 1 is nothing but ncr. ncr x to the power of, that is root x by 3 whole to the power of n minus r into a to the power of r is minus 4x by 4 by x square whole to the power of r is 2. 10 c2 is 45. 10 into 9 by 2 into 1, 45. And then x to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 8 into minus is 4 square, 16 by x to the power of 4. We cancel this with the 9 5s. This becomes 3 power 6. This gets cancelled, so that only we call it as independent term. This becomes 80 by 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81, 3 is 243, 729. So independent term is tr plus 1 whose value is 80 by 729.